Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this little head-up display here, and I just wanted to share with you guys what it does and how we can connect it to the car. So fairly easy one to connect actually, and the reason I want one of these is because in some cars like mine, the speedometer, it sometimes is a little bit difficult to see. And also, if you do have a car that shows your speedometer in kilometers and you need it in miles, this can save your life. So if we just open this and see what's inside, we have a USB cable, and you have to connect it to the USB power port, and in here is the little device. So it connects to, basically this works by connecting to GPS. So once it gets power, it will come on and it will connect to GPS and measure the speed that you're doing, and it will give it to you in miles per hour. So you have you can set it as required. There is a little button somewhere here where you can here, this is the button. So there's a few different little settings that you can do on this. You have some instructions as well. I'm not sure this one, I think you can do. So settings, you have speed unit switching between kilometers per hour and miles per hour, over speed alarm, and display brightness and whatnot. So hopefully we can test it now. You got some double sticky tape here, which I'm going to use. So that sticky tape goes here, and then you can put that somewhere in your car where it's nice and visible. You do need to have the sun sort of, if the device is a bit concealed and doesn't have light, it switches off like a night mode, so you can't quite see it during the day. So it needs to be in a place where I think there might be a little light sensor here. So we want that sensor to be exposed basically. Right, now I'm gonna go to the car, we're gonna put it in the car and see how it works. I've connected the device there. Well, I haven't connected it, I just connected the cable on the back and I stuck that there. So you can see the speedo there, it's in kilometers, so this is going to give us miles. So now I'm just going to plug that onto the power supply here. The device comes on, and then it will look for a GPS connection, and hopefully it will start giving us speed. We can then do the settings. So I placed it in a place where the sunlight is bright enough for the little sensor to pick. Okay, that's taking a little while to connect. It's found a GPS, and now it's working. You can see the miles per hour there, and we're doing about 27, which is well, 30 is about 50. So if we did 30, that there should be at 50, give and take. And also it shows you the direction that we're traveling in. So at the moment we're traveling west, and in a minute when we turn, now we turned a little bit left, so now it's showing you sort of southwest. We're gonna turn right, and then that should change to, maybe it will change to north or northwest. Right, so we're about to turn right. This is a tricky junction here, so we have to wait a bit. And there's always somebody crossing the red, but anyway, right. So now we're going northwest. And on the side here, as I showed you, there is a button that if you press it, you can have the different settings, different options on the display. And also, I think you can change the brightness and whatnot. So overall, a nice little device, cheap, also cheap and cheerful, and all you have to do is obviously route your wire so it doesn't look like that. Just route it properly, but it will definitely help, especially if you have a car that shows kilometers per hour. So anyway, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.